In today's video, I'm going to be comparing the WALLEYE Electric Fillet Knife compared to the Rapala Electric Fillet Knife. So the WALLEYE knife, it comes with the body of the knife, your battery, and then a blade. And with it, you also get another battery and another 3 blades and a charger. Compared to the Rapala knife, where you got your body, your battery, your blade, and the Rapala one comes with another battery, your charger, and only one more blade. So why does the WALLEYE knife have 3 more blades? Well, they're used for different things. You got your 2 flex, your 2 stiff ones. I think the stiff ones are for probably bigger fish. I don't know, I've never used them because all the fish I catch around Minnesota are pretty small, and the biggest ones I'm cleaning is usually pike, and I still can get by with the 7-inch flex one, which is the one I use most. I might go to a smaller one for like sunfish, but I always go with the flex. And I've used both knives. The Rapala knife, second knife, I think is a little bigger. Yep, it's a little bit longer. So it's just another stiff one. The Rapala the Rapala knife does not have the flex blades. Well, the WALLEYE knife does. What does this mean? Well, it's all preference. It really is preference. I started growing up, I started using the Rapala knife because this is my dad's Rapala knife. And I loved it. But for a graduation present, someone got me this WALLEYE knife, and I've been using it for a couple of years now. And here are my opinions. So, WALLEYE knife, its blades are more versatile. The flex blade is nice because you can bend it and kind of work your way down the fish and bend it as you go. The Rapala knife, I noticed, cuts better. It cuts a lot faster. It's a faster moving blade, so you don't go through the backbone as much as what I've noticed. It could be user error, but overall, it's preference. I prefer the Rapala one. If I get another one, I'd do the Rapala. But if you're more technical and maybe do more panfish, the WALLEYE knife might be better. The WALLEYE knife is kind of nice to hold. It's got all these little grips on it. The Rapala is kind of just standard, nothing too fancy. It's more ergonomic, I'd say. So I will now clean 2 fish, one with each knife, and show you what I do with each knife. The WALLEYE 7-inch flex blade here, and we're going to run it right along the back of the head. I like to work down, open that belly up a little more, and then bugs are bad out here, you see me kicking. Then we're going to work our way down to the spine. You feel that spine, and this is where the WALLEYE knife comes in. You kind of flex it in your hand, kind of give it a bend, and you work it down. Like that. I kind of went through the tail here. Like I said, WALLEYE knife, I typically go through a little more on the spine, but now I'm going to take it and I'm just going to skin it. Yep. So then you're left with the fillet. Then to derib them, I mean, both knives are kind of the same. I just follow the rib down and like so. So like that, you got your rib out. You know, with electric knives, you typically lose a little more meat, but it's a lot more efficient than a normal fillet knife, I've noticed. So there's that. Usually I like to zipper them, so I take out the bloodline. I'm going to do a WALLEYE complete tutorial cleaning video in another video, but right now I'm just going to compare knives. So that's WALLEYE knife. And the same thing though, I'm going to go behind the head, work my way down, and you'll see the difference. Just like that, it takes the side off. To skin them, if you mess up the side with the Rapala, I just take it, just a little chunk, you're going to lose a little bit of meat, then you get your finger down in there so it doesn't pull out, and you just work your way down the fillet, slide it down, and like that, separated. I'm pretty much all good. Then I just take the meat off, like the WALLEYE. But the Rapala just cuts like butter, I swear. Most efficient knife. I just want to clarify, this video is not sponsored by Rapala or WALLEYE. I'd appreciate it if they did. But for me, overall, I'm going with the Rapala knife. It's just the better knife. I have gone up to Lake Winnipeg with a bunch of guys, went back when you could keep 6 walleyes, and I cleaned 34 walleyes in one night on one battery. Like, in less than an hour with this thing. It just flies through them, I swear. And once you get good with it, you get good with it. You can fly through fish, so I'm going to clean the rest of the fish with this thing, but that's my honest review. So if you ever think about getting a knife, Personally, I'm going with the Rapala. Big panfish guy, maybe go with the Bubba.